How to apply Nailmak press-on nails. Every set comes with a free kit to apply the nails. Step 1. Push back your cuticles. Buff your nails to make the surface rough. This allows the nails to stick better and last for a longer period of time. Step 2. Check the size of the nails. Make sure that it perfectly fits your nail bed. Check from either sides. Nail bed should not be visible from the sides. Step 3. Apply the nails. Use the glue tabs. Stick them on the back of the press-on nails. Remove the plastic and stick them on your nails. Hold and press the nails for a few seconds. Voila! Perfect pretty manicure in minutes. Visit www.nailmak.com to shop emoji shopping bags.